baby. Do you want to live with your Aunt Gina?
Ask him if he's waiting for Santa. You want to go see Santa Claus?
You want to go see Santa? What do you want for Christmas?
No, I don't know. Probably get started again.
Meow. Meow. Yanto.
He's thinking of shit, apparently.
Yanto. Are you pretty boy? He is making noise. Oh, there he goes. He's running away.
He's running from you.
What's he doing? Are you hiding under the bed? Are you hiding under the bed? Come here. Are you being a bad kitty cat? Oh, there's Bedford. Are you getting anything for Christmas? Is Santa gonna come visit you? She's like, no.
Bad boy.
Are you a bad boy? Are you an annoying little bastard? Bedford, are you a good boy?
God, you're ashamed of this.
Bedford, are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? No. Are you a good boy? Are you Mama's boy? Are you Mama's baby?
If your dog went to school, he'd get his ass kicked for being a mama's boy.
He would. Yanto, are you a bad boy? You want cookie? You want cookie? I think we have some cookies. Oh, we got cookies! We got cookies for the puppy! And there goes Yanto running again. He's such a wuss. Yanto! Are you a bad boy? Are you a bad boy? Alright, don't answer me, bitch.